Today we're doing monomials and factoring. All we're doing is factoring is breaking up a monomial or a polynomial, is breaking it up into its terms. And so let's do 20 or 20x cubed y squared. I'm gonna break 20 up into as much as possible, and the prime number as much as possible. So I can break it up into 1, into 2, into 10. Which 10 I can break up into what?
5.
2 and 5, right? 10 is 2 and 5. Then I break up x cubed into x and x and x. There's 3 x's there. And then y squared is y and y. So 20 x cubed y squared can be broken up into this. 1 times 2 times 2 times 5 x x x y y. Right? That's the factored form. It's broken down as much as possible. There's nothing else we can break down. So let's break up 34x to the 4th y third. 34, right, is 1 and 34. 34 I can break down into 2 and 17. And that's all I can break it down into. Then I break down x 4 times and y 3 times. And there's my answer. Greatest common factor. It is the greatest number that is a factor of both original numbers. So when it says find the greatest common factor of 12a squared, b squared, c, and 18ab cubed, you're finding the greatest common factor. It's like greatest common denominator. When we found what had both factors involved when we were finding greatest common denominator. This is the exact same thing. So what I do is I split up 12a squared, b squared, c into 2 and 6, which 6 breaks down to 2 and 3. There's 2 A's, there's 2 B's, and a C. Then I break down 18. 3 and 6, which 6 breaks down to 2 and 3. And there's 1 A, and there's 3 B's. You find the greatest common factor. So what I do is I find the factors that go into both. There's a 2. There's a 3. There's an A. There's 2 B's. And that's it. So my greatest common factor is 6AB squared. So I split up 11A squared B. There's nothing I can split up 11 with but 1, and everything can go into 1. So I have this. For the other one, I can do 21 into 3 and 7. The greatest common factor is AB. Here's your homework assignment.